Good day, sir. I'm Eileen Kulanag from BSBA 1A. This video will show you the importance of the flag by answering the three questions. So, number one, why is it important to know and respect the flag, anthem, and other national symbols? Knowing and respecting the Philippine flag, anthem, and other national symbols is vital because these symbols represent the country's histories, values, and identity. This fosters a sense of national pride and unity among Filipinos. Respect for these symbols demonstrate patriotism and acknowledges the sacrifices made by those who fought for the country's freedom and sovereignty. Number two, how do these symbols strengthen our national identity and unity as Filipinos? These symbols strengthen national identity and unity by providing common ground for all Filipinos, regardless of their regional, ethnic, or social backgrounds. When Filipinos salute the flag, sing the national anthem, or recognize other national symbols, they are reminded of their shared heritage and collective identity. This act of recognition promotes solidarity and a sense of belonging, reinforcing the bonds that unite the nation. Number three, choose that you think is most relevant today. Explain why it is important and give a real life example, personal, community, or national level. I think the Philippine flag is most relevant today. The flag serves as a constant reminder of the country's sovereignty and the values it stands for, such as justice, peace, and freedom. For example, during national events or crises such as natural disaster or political turmoil, the flag is prominently displayed to rally the people and inspire a sense of resilience and unity. For instance, after devastating typhoon, communities often raise the Philippine flag amidst the wreckage as a symbol of hope and determination to rebuild. This act reinforces national pride and encourages collective action to overcome challenges. And those are the three questions that show the importance of the Philippine flag.